Hello, Music Constructed community. This is Kelly Poquette, and I'm here with one of our very first product reviews. And the two things that I'm looking at today are Old Joe Clark by Dr. John Feyerabend and Garand Cozy, published by GIA, and The Folkmanic's Small Red Fox. And for this book, there's lots of different ways you could go with it. Of course, you could do the dance. It has the tune, Round and Round, Old Joe Clark, that you're probably familiar with. And it also has, for me, I felt this was a little bit of an SEL story too, because it starts with this little fox, not little, I'm sorry, the large fox. It's watching the smaller foxes throughout the book on almost every page. And at the end, he comes out with a harmonica. And if you'll notice, the smaller fox family is a little intimidated by this very large fox. And they go, well, why not? Let's invite that person in. And they did, and they all have a lovely time jamming and dancing together. So that's one little SEL connection among the many other ways to use this. And also the Folkmanic's puppet, since this is a verse refrain song, I would use this to introduce that concept by I would sing the verses, and then the fox would sing the refrain. And then once my students became comfortable with it, then the fox would be passed around to the different student leaders and have them be in charge of the fox singing the refrain. So those are just a few ideas on how to use these two resources, of course, available through West Music. And in the article below or article attached, you will find more resources as well.